M is for monkey, swinging in trees, laughing and climbing with so much ease. N is for nest, up in the tree, where we birds love to be. O is for octopus, in the sea, 8 long arms, swimming with glee. P is for penguin, waddle and slide, marching along with friends by its side. Q is for queen, crown on her head, wearing a dress of gold and red. R is for rainbow, color so bright, shining above after rain at night. S is for snake, slithering low, hissing and sliding wherever it goes. T is for tiger, orange and black, roaring loud on the jungle track. U is for umbrella, when it rains, keeping you dry from all the stains. V is for van, driving down the street, honk, honk, wave as we meet. W is for whale, big and blue, swimming in the ocean, splashing too. X is for zum-a-vum, playing a tune, ding, ding, dong, morning or noon. Y is for yacht, sailing so fast, gliding through waves, having a blast. Z is for zebra, black and white, running through grass